The next thing you're going to think about public speaking is the opening. When you get to the front of the room, what's your main objective? Here is your main objective. Your objective is to get the group immediately engaged with you, and your job is to take a group of a bunch of individuals and turn them into one specific unit. Now, one of the mistakes that I see people make constantly who are novice public speakers is that they apologize for things as soon as they get up. Why? Two reasons. Again, they're thinking about themselves. You don't want to think about themselves. And what it does is it detracts from what goes on in the audience. So for instance, if I come to the front of the room and the first things out of my mouth goes, you know, folks, I'm sorry I'm a little bit late today, or, you know, I really haven't prepared for this, so I appreciate any kind of thing that you guys will do and leeway you'll give me, what you're doing is you're taking away from your validity. The people have no idea what time you were really supposed to start. They have no idea what you're supposed to wear. They have no idea what your speech is supposed to cover, and nor should you let that on. You should come up with an attitude of confidence, and whatever you do, do not apologize.